Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will learn how to fix cell phone echo problem. Actually there are many reasons for echo problems. Since we can't say exactly what is causing the echo problem, so we cannot solve this problem by adopting any specific method. We need to apply multiple steps. So let's get started how to fix echo problem. Step 1. Reboot your phone. Many problems are solved by rebooting the phone, so reboot your phone and after check problem solve or not. Step 2. Check whether echo is on headphone or in handset. Step 3. Check your noise cancellation settings. Step 4. Remove your back cover and try. Step 5. Try factory reset. Step 6. Update your software. After following the steps hopefully the problem will be solved. If the problem is not resolved, go to the nearest repair shop. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.